Hello, my name is Cindy and I am here to craft with you today. Today we're going to make tie-dye t-shirts. So it's something that is fun and anybody can do. This is meant as a step-by-step course that you can follow along while I do some of these t-shirts. So hopefully it'll give you some ideas and get you inspired. To begin, you'll need some supplies. It's easiest if you have a pan with a rack on top so that the dye can flow underneath. I like to use soda ash. You can easily get it in the laundry department of Walmart or any retailer. It's only a few dollars and you can find it near the borax for those people who like to make slime. And you'll need some rubber bands, tie-dye kit. You will need some gloves and also a washable marker. Some of these items are already found in the tie-dye kit, so it will make it even easier for you. I always think it's easier too to have a drop cloth. It'll just help you clean up your mess later. So the first thing that I'm going to do is mix up the dyes. So I mixed up the dye. You can see all the different colors that I have here. This kit was easy. All you had to do was add water up to the top. If you wanted weaker colors, you could use 2 different bottles and just dilute it. If you wanted stronger colors, you could just add less water. For this t-shirt, we're going to try the ice dye technique. First, we're going to begin by using the scrunching technique for this t-shirt. So you just want to make little scrunches, little bundles. Try and bring it in. So ice dyeing has been a bit of a trend lately. Trying to keep it kind of tight. Use our rubber bands to try and hold it in place. Try and keep it in the scrunching pattern. some edges so that it stays nice and crisp. So this is what the back side looks like. So now, bring back our good old drop cloth. Put it on top of our pan, and then you can put your ice over it. Make sure it's pretty covered. This is a small t-shirt. This is kind of messy. All right, now is the time you put on your gloves. You actually put the dye on top of the ice. It will start coloring the shirt as it's melting. Just wait for the ice to melt. Right now we're going to unveil our ice dyed t-shirt. This one is exciting because it's for who? It's for you. All right, you want to help me take off the rubber bands? Oh, this is so exciting. All right, let's keep doing it. All right, now you do the next one. Which colors are your favorite? All of them? I wonder how this one's going to turn out.
Yeah.
There you go. Here, I'm gonna help you. There you go. That one just fell off by itself. All right, and then can you lift it up? Let's show everybody what it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. This is your new ice dye t-shirt. So let's lay it flat on the table. Oh, this is the back. And this side is the front.
So that's very good. Mom's listening. Lucky.
Do you like it? It reminds me a little bit of a galaxy. What do you think?
It is a galaxy, viewers.
All right. So, thank you for watching our tie-dye video. If you'd like to see some more, hit like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. All right, now we'd like to reveal our next tie-dye shirt, which is the ice dye shirt. When we did this, we scrunched it and then we rubber banded into place, and then we put ice on top of it and then poured the dye on top of it, and it has this really cool effect. So I just really like how this one turned out. It's probably one of my favorite shirts. What do you think about it?
Yeah, and it's cool.
It's still cold. Well, I guess it's still cold. And I think it looks like a galaxy. That's why it's one of my favorite
I
ones.
think it looks like colored ice.
Like colored ice. Do you want to try it on? There, I think it looks great on you. Good job, honey bun. If you'd like to see more tie-dye videos like this, just hit the like and subscribe button to see more of our videos.
Cool looking.
Yeah,
That's
look
really
at that.
cool.
Yeah, when I saw it, I thought Daddy would like a shirt like this.
That is super cool.
I think if I do your Star Wars one, I want to do it. An
Just like
ice-
that?
An ice dye.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And those same colors.
And the same colors?
Uh-huh.
Okay.